guys, welcome back. So as you saw, today was Skylar's birthday and all she really wanted was a second piercing. So I took her to the mall that I grew up in when I was her age and it was very nostalgic.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's see. Excuse me.
Three, two, one. Oh.
I should have got your face. I should have got your face. You were like, did it hurt?
A little bit, but it's not.
I'm gonna push it in and let me know if it's too tight, okay?
Okay.
Okay, move your head a little bit this way. Like, yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was a better reaction. Dang it.
Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah. Hey.
Hey guys. Say,
Oh, Anya's extremely close. Wow.
oh, where is she? How you know? What you got her ETA?
No.
Bella,
No.
say hi. Okay.
She sent me a picture.
Yeah, now she is. Okay. So we are going bowling to continue our celebration for Skylar's birthday. Skylar, say hi. Oh, she's saying hi.
Wow.
She said hi.
It's a celebration.
So yeah, we're gonna, maybe I'll remember to take the camera out. I don't know, because I don't know. It's a little weird to me now. I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna just do it though.
You're a weirdo.
I'm not weird. Yo, this is heavy. You trying to show your nails? Can you see? Well,
You can't really see them, but they're Hello Kitty though.
It's Hello Kitty. Let me see.
You gotta do the clucker, 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 clucker.
Well, I got it. Are you ready?
Put it.
Hey.
Okay, let's go bowling. Oh, I forgot to bring our books.
Baby,
Doggone it.
baby. Them books on you, babe?
Just don't get another book again.
I'm a.
Yo, we owe about $100 to the library. That is so bad.
But
And we
now-
go
You
every
Guys,
summer.
we're banned from the library because of
Oh,
my
they can't see
mom.
us.
Not you guys.
No,
Just
mom.
3 of you. Not
It's not
me.
me. It is not me. It's her.
But she
I
checked
can't
out.
drive.
Oh, it's kind of.
I cannot.
Look at grandma. Look at my mom. She's not even paying attention.
Oh, she was.
All right, let's get out. Okay, so the music was extremely loud, and there was no way that I could share this part without being copyrighted. So basically, we had just gotten here. Coincidentally, my family had planned on New Year's Eve that they were going to go bowling, and we were saying that we wanted to go bowling for Skylar's birthday. So we pretty much met up with our family and just made it a day out. So right here, I was just asking the girls, did they want barriers, because the older ones were preteens, well, teenagers, and you know, my baby who is 9, and they were like, no, we all want barriers. And I was like, really? So I ended up getting the barriers for them. So weird.
What was that?
Worry about me. You want me to go to ball first? Oh, she hit a good one. Okay. Girl, I got competition. Your daughter? Your daughter?
She got it.
Oh! Exactly. Doing all that skipping and hopping.
Your turn.
Don't say no, it's my. I know it's my turn.
Oh, you okay? Let me tell you out.
No, don't look right, man. Don't look right.
Go to the middle, cuz. We said the right. Oh, that is right. That's too far to the right.
I don't like it. I don't like it. Now, at this point, I was feeling some type of way because why am I the only one still bowling for myself and everyone else has a stand in getting strikes for them? I didn't like it, but I got something for them. Who's turn? I see who's turn. Hold your head up. It's okay. Hold your head up. There you go.
Let's see.
No, I'm blocking that thing. Pablo making fun of my bunny. It's not a bunny, it's a sleeping cap. Oh gosh. Oh!
Oh, what's happening?
There you go. Is it the right way? In the world. Girl, get it together. Alright, I guess it's the right way. Who I look like, babe?
Man, I know it's Piccolo and it's another dude. Man, he was an assistant on the temple.
Well, I can't find no cute sleeping cap. I thought this thing was like big. That's my sleeping cap. You say I look like Chuck.
Mr. Popo, there we go. There we go. Don't
Shut it, man.
Mr. Popo. I told
Show
you.
them who I look like.
Mr. Popo from Dragon Ball Z. That
You
bonnet,
so
that
funny.
remind me of Mr. Popo.
You're so funny.
I'm like, yo, you remind me of someone with that bonnet stuff.
It's a sleeping turban.
Whatever that
Turban.
is.
I
See?
forgot.
See? Mr. Popo?
You so funny.
What's he?
You had fun bowling tonight?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, we
That
had
was
fun.
fun. A little tired afterwards, but
Yeah.
it was worth it.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. You was looking like you wanted to give me a kiss.
Just
You
that
was trying to be sentimental, yeah.
sentimental.
Yeah.
I wasn't trying to be sentimental.
You wasn't trying to give me a
No,
kiss?
no. But I give you a kiss.
Yes, you was. I don't want it. I don't want no
Okay.
stale leftover kiss you
Lord
trying to give
have
me.
mercy.
I guess I'll start back trying to vlog. It feels weird. Like I feel nervous.
Why, man?
I don't know why I feel nervous. But I was watching something, which I was thinking at myself to just not feed, but nourish the community that I have. Like the people that come and watch me. I'm not caught up on like having so many followers and things like that. It's just that I don't know what people want to see. Like I don't know if they would like the content, if you guys would like the things that I make, or if it'll be boring. Because of course I feel like my life is interesting. I think we're funny together. We're funny together. We're interesting to watch. I think that. But other people may not. But you have, you know, my friends and people that will watch my videos and they commented. And I think if I was consistent, if I wasn't so overwhelmed with not having enough storage and having to delete stuff and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
constantly
yeah.
doing that so I could have been consistent,
Yeah, I know it's kind of tough.
then I think my community would be bigger, would be larger. Because I already have like almost 100 subscribers. I think I have like 80. So if I could commit to being committed to you guys, can you commit to being committed to me, to our community, to our circle? This will be our special place, our journey together. Let me know in the comments. Put some encouraging words in the comments. Like the video. Share the video if you think there's someone else who would be. What you laughing for? What you laughing? Why you laughing? I'm trying to be serious. Oh wait, I'm high pitched. Why you laughing?
I'm not laughing. I'm just sleepy laughing, maybe.
No, you're not.
Yes, I'm sleepy
I'm trying
laughing.
to be
I
sensitive.
think I'm sleepy
I'm trying to
laughing
be
because
serious.
I'm kind of comfortable now.
What are you trying to tell me? Hurry up.
No, but I'm sleepy comfortable now.
Man, he just messed up the whole
Sorry, man.
rhythm.
I was just laughing all by
I was in a
myself.
rhythm.
Sorry, take care of the rhythm. But I was in my rhythm of sleep. Like my rhythm.
I'm back. I'm going to just say I'm back. So, talk to you guys later.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Take care of the same since you left down.